This is the brief on Pluto. It's the most famous dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt, that massive ring of icy debris at the solar system's edge, and a tiny world that completely flipped our understanding of space, proving it's way more than just a dead rock. First, we got to talk about its super controversial history. Discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh at the Lowell Observatory, it was our ninth planet right up until astronomers reclassified it in 2006. The ruling said a planet must clear its neighborhood of debris. Honestly, that feels kind of unfair. If you dropped Earth into the massive Kuiper Belt, it wouldn't clear its zone either. But you can see why scientists struggle to classify it when you look at how wild it behaves. Second, let's look at its crazy orbit and moons. Pluto has a highly elliptical, tilted 248-year orbit that occasionally sneaks closer to the Sun than Neptune. Out of its 5 moons, Charon is the absolute standout. Because Charon is half Pluto's size, they act exactly like two figure skaters holding hands and spinning. They're tidally locked, orbiting an empty space between them as a true binary system. Finally, zooming in from that orbital dance down to the actual surface, things get even weirder. The 2015 New Horizons flyby showed that despite being only half the width of the US, it has an incredibly active surface. It boasts a 1,000,000-square-mile heart of nitrogen ice called Sputnik Planitia, alongside massive cryovolcanoes spewing icy slurry from deep below. So, while it lost its official planet title, that beating nitrogen heart and those active ice volcanoes make Pluto one of the most dynamic worlds we've ever explored.